JD stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is JD.com stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. And having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. Like clearly with JD, I'll tell you that it's a bearish market, and I have no ill intentions when I say it's a bearish market. It's just the truth. You know what I mean? Like it, we have the supply zone, and I was like, this is only going to be a bullish range if it starts breaking above 34.60 for me. I'm still sticking to it, but we are 31.03. Not that I even took this trade, it just continued with its own trend, which, by the way, the likelihood that we keep going lower and filling in this gap is very high. So very choppy price action. I just make a video just for the sake of it because people wanted to see. And with JD, I also got a few receipts in the Discord as well with the results. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights daily, then just click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.